Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I'm only on here to do a really quick video on what I'm going to do next. Okay, now I've given it lots of thought and I've decided that I'm going to make a book using a journal using one of these covers. Okay, now I've only picked a small cover because it's in really good nick. Excuse me, I just had a drink of water and it always has a reaction for me. And this was one of those little Jane Austen books, but I'll be covering the cover anyway to a degree. Okay, so the inside I really like what's left there. I've taken the middle out of the book, and I'm thinking I might have showed you me doing that one day. I just didn't get around to doing anything else with the book. I'm going to cut this. Now this is only going to be a very quick bit about what I'm going to do because I am running out of battery and I wanted to just show you what I'm starting next. Okay, and I'm going to actually do this as a series or whatever because I have never done one before. And we can do it together. Hey, I've never made a book out of a book before. Well, you know what I mean. I've never used I've always used a file folder and done the paper or the cardstock and just turned it over, but now I'm going to do a book. Okay, so what I've got to do is I've got to figure out my size of my paper. I'm going to actually put something down the back of here to stabilise this a bit better, and I don't know whether I'm just going to use masking tape because this is in such good state. I think it might be right. When I say state, actually I don't think I need to do anything with that because that's really solid. And because it's new, see, and I wanted it because I wanted to just be able to put pieces on, not go onto the edges. Use the back covers because they're really nice, and I might make this into just a Sonya style. I don't think I want to do anything, you know, one way or another. I'm just going to put into it what I like. Okay, now I got some really nice papers given to me by different ones, but I got these ones yesterday or the other day but I don't like the pictures to go that way. I want them to go that way. Right, so we're going to rethink that a bit. So I need to figure out what pages I'm going to use for this. Now I've got coffee stained paper, tea stained I should say. I don't waste my coffee on that because it's well, not wasted, I suppose. But I've got these pages. Now look at this. I got these pages out of a bedtime story. A nutty question. Did somebody give me these, or they might be my own? I don't know. I might use them. Do people iron their tea stained papers? I wonder. Just asking that. Has anybody got going to tell me about that? I might not even put much of that in here. Even put one in. One of those in. Tea stained one, or maybe two. One that's not looking too. I don't like them if they're too dark. They put me right out. They put me right off. I've done them too dark. It just depends what you're making, you know. And I'm not feeling that I can do that. So what I was wanting to do was to make my own, decorate and use my own paper that I was painting the other day. Now, what did I do with that? Sonia, where'd you put your paper? Over here. Here we go. I would like to use this. This is what I'd like to use. Some of this. Look at that. I think I'd like that in here. Yeah, I would. Now, I'm going to do the other side first, but, aren't I? Or will I stick something on it? I don't like that one because it's messy. See how that's messy? Right, I'm going to use this one here. That's definitely going to go in there. And I can just do it to the size that I need it to be. But what am I thinking about doing on this side, see? I might do the same thing, eh? I might colour it too. What do you reckon? Oh, because then, yeah, that would be a good idea, wouldn't it? I think I might colour it too because I really like doing that. And I like this one. And I mucked this one up, but I'm going to use particular pieces of it for maybe tuck spots, maybe, or something. That bit there I can get out, that's not too khaki. Alright, well we'll get this piece off here. We'll salvage this a bit. I think we'll salvage that bit. Where's me ruler? Here. I'm going to keep... You see, I don't like this here bit. I wonder if I can go over there. Let's get the gesso, okay? See, you never know what I'm going to do. Somebody said, Christina said to me, oh, she said, I'm there going along with you. Next minute you veer off in another direction. That's how it is, isn't it? I can't help myself. I just can't help myself. I'm going to put some gesso on this, if I can find them. Get a paintbrush. Get a paintbrush. Oh, gee, that's a big one. That'll do. Okay. And I'll put some gesso on it. Cover up the khaki bits. What do you reckon? Do we need a bit of water too? I don't know. Maybe not. I might not need water because I just want to get rid of all these really dark, nasty pieces. And you know, if all comes undone and it doesn't look quite right, I'm just going to put different colour paint on top of that now after I put the gesso on. It's a shame to lose it, isn't it? I'm not much of an artist, me, so can't paint I want to paint over this. I'm using what's on the lid and it's a bit dry. Oh, it feels to be anyway. Now this is gooey. Goodness me. Hope that's still taping. I'll be really upset if it's not. I needed to do another couple of videos because if I've got to go anywhere through the week, it mucks up my day. I mean, I don't mind going out, but it's okay, but I just feel... Now see, this is not probably suitable to write on in your last name, but I'm still saving me a piece of paper, aren't I, for myself? Because it'd be lumpy. Be a bit lumpy. So I might not do the back, or if I do, I might just do it with some spray or stuff. Hey, what do you reckon? I might make myself some spray dye things. Okay, I've got some of that, some of this paper here, but I think you have to have hot water to put that in, don't you? And I can't do it with cold water I got in now. That would be fun, wouldn't it? I got sprays. I've got sprays. Where are they? You know how things try to avoid you because you want to have a go? Do mischief? Not actually mischief. Look here, I've got these two here, look. Oh, that'll be fun. Let's have a go at one of those before I run out of battery. If I do run out of battery, thank you very much for watching, and I'm having fun here, so I probably should have put a bit of water amongst this, but you've got no idea what's going to end up like when I finish putting other stuff on it. It might be too thick. You might have to have a cover. Might have to be a cover. Hey, what do you reckon? I could have put all this white now. This is my artistic side. Isn't it scary? Oh dear. Okay, so that's enough of that. It's for fun. Probably should do it all. Why not? It won't be a minute. I'll try not to hold this up for too long. And if I do make it so it's too thick, I will use it for a tag or something. What do you reckon? Because I just didn't like those khaki bits coming down. And that happened because I went too far with its colours. I put too much of the khaki colours on there. So now I've got probably too much of the white stuff. Let's just see what happens when I put this on. Now you do realise that this is all trial and error because Sonia's, that's a white one, it won't show up. This is Mr. Huey's colour mist, and it's gold. And I've had this for ever. It probably might not even work. There's nothing coming out. I know there's something in there. Don't tell. I heard it shaking, didn't you? That little hole's not plugged up or something. Probably could be. That's not what. Well, Sonia wouldn't be spraying up in the air, would you? Oh, press it down. Give it a bit. And we hold it up straight. Now try again. Come on, work that time. What am I doing wrong? Why do I have to hold it upside down for it to work? That's a silly thing, isn't it? It's all over my hands. Ooh. Now I've got no... I should have closed the wet wipes. This is the second time I've done that, left them open and got stuff everywhere. This is going to look good if I can get out of the thing. Oh, wow, I did. There's a particular way you got to squeeze it, okay? There's a particular way you got to squeeze it. I do love the colour. Don't you just love the colour? Let's see if I can find another brush. Now, this is another big one too. Make it go up out a bit. Leave it there. Big dribbly bits. You can make it run down. You make it go back that way. Okay, so that looks good, doesn't it? I've used a bit of that, and that's a bit better. What do you reckon? It was really cool that that came out to look the same colour as what I've already been working with, isn't it? Okay, stop doing that weird laugh, Sonia. That and nobody panic is something that happens to me all day. But I say that all the time. Anyway, I'm always saying nobody panic. I don't know why. I say it when it's not necessary. Right, look at that. I do love it. Don't you? Isn't that... Actually, to be honest with you, it looks a lot better in reality than it does on there. Ah, dear, that's my abstract art work, that one. Now, let's, for fun, just do another bit. Look, I've got some other paper up here that I got from Karen. She gave me a piece of paper. And I'm going to do something to that. I'm going to terrorise this bit now. Okay. So I'm going to put some squirt on it. I'm going to turn it over and squish it. Look. The ink blot method. Oh, wow. That spread it out a lot too, didn't it? Hey? Oh, good. Fun. What? You reckon? Isn't that good fun? Well, that's not so much. Hang on, I'll try it again. Wait a minute. I'll just do a half. Okay. And then we'll do this other half. Okay. I don't mind it. I don't mind that. I'm going to try and put some white on now. I wonder why I just bought white. And, oh, no battery. I've got to go. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.